Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very exciting, at least for me anyway, because it is an unboxing video. So recently it was my anniversary, and from my husband I just asked for money because I knew I wanted to get this item. It's a bag that I have loved since it first came out. However, I shouldn't say that. I didn't love it since it first came out. I liked it since it first came out, but I kept going back and forth between loving it and being like, not for me. Recently I did go in store and look at it in person, tried it on, knew I loved it, but still knew I loved the look of it, but still wasn't sure if it was for me. And then I saw that, well, I'm not gonna say it because then it'll give the bag away. So we'll do the unboxing and I'll tell you what finally made me pull the trigger on it. But again, like I said, I used money from my husband plus some money that I had saved up to purchase it, and so I'm super excited about it. So let's go ahead and open it up. So it's in this huge box right now, but and I'm sorry for the no makeup today, but I honestly was not planning on filming today, but since I just got it, I figured why not. So here's the receipt. So it's from Louis Vuitton. So of course my camera stopped recording because I was out of space on my memory card, but hopefully y'all saw enough. But this is the Noir by Louis Vuitton, and this is in the color Noir or black. And let's see, it comes with a, okay, the strap must be inside. I was about to say, did they leave my strap out? So you can open it up by just sliding that down and then open it up. And it has this middle compartment in there, and then it just has like bubble paper in there right now. So it does come with a strap, which they packed up in plastic. So I have to put this on. But this strap, I'm sure y'all have seen this bag because it's been out for well over a year at this point. But it comes with this strap that's adjustable. You can use it shoulder or crossbody. So that's what it looks like if you have it on the shoulder setting. And then, well, actually, there we go. So this is what it looks like when you have it on the shoulder setting. And then if you want to crossbody it, you just unbutton these. Click it in place, and now you have it crossbody length. So I'm not gonna do mod shots today because honestly I just have on leggings and we don't need to be showing that on camera. But I really like this bag, so let me just look it over. I know a lot of people get all hung up about the sides not being aligned perfectly, but to me that doesn't bother me at all, really. I mean, I think it looks beautiful. And this bag, one of the things that really won me over is when I went in store, I just love how soft it feels and how lightweight it is. And I think it's like a perfect like mom bag. So that was one thing that won me over. And then the other thing was I saw people have been putting straps or handles on it. So if you've seen the new Noir, the FE version, it comes with a handle, like a short handle, so you can hold it like that. So that makes it like really versatile because you can now hand carry it or crook of the arm carry it. You can carry it on your shoulder and you can crossbody it. So I saw Happy Stylish Mommy here on YouTube, one of my favorite YouTubers. She bought like a HRH chain, I believe, like bag chain to go on it, and I love that. And then I've seen people have just like a plain black handle, leather handle that they ordered like off Etsy or whatever. So I ordered a chain handle, not from HRH, but from Motto, M-A-U-T-T-O. I'll link the one I got down below. It's actually coming in the mail today, yay, but it's not here yet. So I'm gonna use that on this bag, and I hope that it looks good with it. But yeah, I love this bag, and I cannot wait to put my stuff in it. It smells really good. And I like that it's big enough to carry like a few diapers and my stuff without being like huge like a Never Full. So I think this is just gonna be a perfect like everyday bag. for my lifestyle anyway. So yeah, that's that. Now, y'all know I don't carry the same bag every day, but just a perfect like day-to-day bag that I can do pretty much anything in. It's not too flashy. It's not too like precious where I'll be worried about ruining it. And it's big enough to carry all my stuff, and I can crossbody if I need to. So with 2 young kids, that's like perfect for me. So I'll let y'all know in the future how this bag works out for me, and I'm so excited to put my stuff in it and use it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you later. Bye.